In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the content calendar in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clean visual calendar that helps you plan, assign, and track your content with confidence. Start on your Monday.com, home, and head into workspaces. Choose the workspace where you want this calendar to live so the right teammates have access and it stays organized with related projects. Next to the workspace name, click the plus icon and choose Board. This opens the board creation window. Give your board a clear descriptive name, something like Content Calendar, so it's easy to find later. Then pick the privacy level that fits your needs. Main makes it visible to your account, private limits it to invited members, and shareable is ideal when you collaborate with external stakeholders. You'll also see an option to select what you're managing on this board. Choose the category that best matches your work so the board starts with helpful defaults. When you're ready, click Create Board. With the board open, add a calendar view. At the top, click the plus icon for views and select Calendar. This view displays your items by their date, giving you a month, week, or day layout to plan from. If your board doesn't already have a date column, Monday.com will prompt you to map one so the calendar knows which date to use. Now, let's add your first content item. In the calendar view, click New Item. You'll set a few key details. Choose a group to keep things organized. Many teams use groups for months, campaigns, or content types. Assign a person so there's a clear owner responsible for moving the work forward. Update the status to reflect where the item stands, like planning, in progress, or ready to publish. Then set the date that represents the publisher due date. This is what places the item on the calendar. When everything looks good, click Create Item to save it. To enhance your view, click Add Widget. Choose the widget you want to include. This is a great way to pull in supporting visuals or summaries that help you understand workload or progress at a glance. Pick the option that best supports your workflow and it will appear alongside your calendar. You can also add items directly from the calendar by selecting a specific date. This is a quick way to pre-fill the date and keep your scheduling accurate as you plan. That's it. You've created a dedicated board, added a calendar view, created items with ownership and status, and enhanced the view with a widget. Keep naming consistent, choose groups that match how you plan, and always set a date so your calendar stays dependable.